Good morning. I am taking my Skoda to the shop today. I need to give it a service, and I made an appointment with the shop actually right next to where I work, and they agreed to that I can leave the nest up there, and if they don't finish today, they agreed to that I can come and stay in the nest tonight. So that's nice of them. It's a little bit difficult to get out there because it's uphill and narrow. But yeah, you see Edal biler, Edal autos, Edal cars right here. So it's very close to where I work. I just need to find out where to put the nest, but I will talk to them about that, so it's not in the way. Well, let's see what they say. So, the nest is parked and the car is ready to go in. They got the key already, and let's see what happens. How bad it is with it. I don't think it's too bad. It's running fine, so I think it's alright. It's a little local workshop. And they're very nice people, so let's see what happens. Anyway, I'll go in and get some breakfast. As I say, if they're not finished tonight, I will boondock here. If they are, I'll go somewhere else. Good evening. I'm on my way home from work, and no, the car is not finished yet. I knew that already this morning. The mechanic, we talked about it, the things that needed to be done, and he had to order some parts, so it will be finished tomorrow. But yeah, the nest is parked over here, and this is where I'm boondocking tonight. I guess the car is in his workshop. I'm boondocking here in the parking lot in front of the mechanic's workshop. Not exactly the best place, but well, I guess not the worst place either. The weather is just wonderful right now. It's been overcast all day, but for the last hour it cleared up, and now it's just very nice. So well, I'll go inside and get some dinner going. Actually, I can answer one of the questions now. One of you asked me how I keep cool in the nest. And well, that's the ceiling window, and there's the window in front of the nest, and here's the door. That's how I keep cool. I have no fan, I have no AC, so it's just opening the windows. Now the roof window is completely open and mosquito net in front. So let's see if that's enough. If that's not enough, I will open the front window as well. But yes, that's it for tonight. I'm boondogging here, and I had a good day at work, as you had. It was hard. We had a lot of stuff to be put in place. A lot of new things came to the shop today, so had to be put on the shelves. That's okay, you know. Time passes faster when you have something to do, so that's fine. And now I'm just tired. You know, it's too bad. I would like to go kayaking, but the kayak is on top of the car, and the car is locked in the workshop. So I'm not going to go kayaking tonight. Maybe I go for a bicycle ride. I don't know. Maybe I'm too tired. You guys take care, and I will see you again tomorrow when I get the car back. And remember, life is good. Bye bye.